I'm here at the AJA stand. I've got Nick Rashby with me. Nick and I have spoke before, and they've always got new and interesting stuff to show at these trade shows. Nick, give us a tour of your stand here at BVE.
Sure. Well, we're showing basically our entire product line here, from our mini converters, which is what the company was founded upon. So lots of conversion gear, to our desktop editing products like the Kona, which have been popular for almost 10 years now, to the latest Thunderbolt equipment like the TTap running on Final Cut Pro 10, on MacBook Pro, and the IOXT, which is another Thunderbolt product.
So this is quite. I'm always interested in Thunderbolt. Explain a bit more in detail, especially this looks like a nice small device you've got here. Explain what this is here.
Yeah, so the TTap is just a very simple output device. It's bus powered from the Thunderbolt. So you just have one cable from your Mac to it. It outputs beautiful 10-bit video over HDMI or SDI out to professional monitoring, and with AJA compatibility with all the most popular applications like Adobe Premiere and Final Cut Pro 10 and others. Right. So just very simple, inexpensive, elegant way to go for professional monitoring.
So if you were editing in Premiere or something like that, you could have this and have your program coming out onto, so you can see in full high res what's going on.
Exactly, and in 10-bit. So even if you have HDMI monitoring, it's 8-bit generally out of the computers that have HDMI built in. So it's a way to get true 10-bit, proper 10-bit. And then the IOXT is a bit more robust, full-featured Thunderbolt way to go with ingest and machine control and lots of other connectivity. But again, Thunderbolt-based with the latest Apple hardware.
And what I've always liked about this one is it's got audio meters on the front, hasn't it?
Yeah, so lots of blinking lights is always nice. Yeah, we should have them working there. And then here's our KeyPro rack, which we introduced last year. Has just been wildly popular for us as basically a VTR replacement that records to file-based formats such as Apple ProRes and Avid's DNx HD formats. And so those have just been installed by the palette around the world at various levels of broadcast, being switched around by our Kumo SDI routers, or routers, I guess I should say. Sorry, I have to adapt. And then we also have our FS products, FS1 and FS2, which are frame syncs and conversion gears. So lots of broadcast level infrastructure gear here being shown. And then, of course, we have the Kona LHI running with the latest Avid software, and all of our shipping Konas are compatible with Avid as well. Brilliant. And then here's our most exciting thing, the Canon C500, which is the latest, most exciting 4K camera being hooked up to our KeyPro Quad, which we introduced at NAB, which allows real-time 4K workflows from any compatible 4K camera, recording full-resolution ProRes files on small SSD drives. Allows you to pop it into a Thunderbolt reader and immediately get to work in any nonlinear editing application. So that's really what we're showing here at BVE.
Brilliant. So everything here is shipping and available?
The KeyPro Quad is minutes away, but everything else is real and shipping and available.
That's great. And if people want to find out information about, of course, your massive range of products that you have, where can they find out information?
AJA.com is the easiest way.